Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer cryptocurrency from your Coinbase account to an external wallet or platform. This process involves a few key steps to ensure your funds reach their intended destination safely. We'll cover how to prepare for the transfer, what information you need from the receiving platform, and the actual steps within your Coinbase account. It's crucial to follow these instructions carefully to avoid any loss of funds. First, you need to obtain the correct deposit address from the platform where you want to send your crypto. Log into that platform and navigate to its deposit or recharge section. Choose the exact cryptocurrency you plan to send, like Lssc or Bitcoin. The platform will then provide a unique wallet address and specify the network, such as Polygon or TRC20. Carefully copy this address. It is essential for a successful transfer. Now open your Coinbase application. On the main screen, find and tap the Send button. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, for example, Lssc. In the To field, paste the wallet address you copied from the receiving platform. Enter the exact amount of crypto you want to send. Double-check that the selected network on Coinbase matches the network specified by the receiving platform to prevent any issues. Before finalizing, meticulously review all transaction details: the recipient address, the cryptocurrency type, the amount, and the network. Once confirmed, crypto transactions are irreversible. It is vital to only send funds to trusted platforms and always verify the legitimacy of any receiving address. Be extremely cautious of platforms promising unrealistic returns, as many are scams. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.